We all love watching MMA, but we wait in anticipation, hoping for one good moment, and that is one perfect knockout punch. There have been many great matches throughout the course of history, but most people remember those that were able to achieve glory in the ring by consistently knocking out their opponent. So likewise, another history created by Indian girl, MMA fighter Jojo Rajkumari. With the start of match by a remarkable punch landed a huge knockout against Mary Jane of Philippines at Matrix Fight Night 9 in Delhi. The Manipuri girl needed only a second to finish her international opponent and improve her winning streak to 2 fights with a knockout win.